everyone. Today I am here to tell about the intraday trading. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Many people nowadays used to do intraday trading to get a handsome amount of extra income. It may help them to manage their homely expenses wisely. But most of the people losing the money in intraday. Why? That is the major five major reasons in intraday trading failure is here we discuss. Before start intraday trading morning, you need to prepare some paperwork and you need to see your balance on that day, how much you have, like funds, fund balance, how much you have. You need to see that one, and you need to utilize only 40% of the fund to trade in intraday, and success comes. For example, if you earn profit like 1000 and 2000, then see, don't be hurry to take next trade because you may lose your profit. Plan accordingly because you earned money. Earning is not important in intraday. Earning, everyone can earn initially, but saving and keeping that earning is the very important. Keep on that earning and adding and accumulating is the key thing to success. Don't assume like today I need to earn this much, today I need to earn that much. It's not in our hand. We need to trade accordingly as per market goes, because market is not listen our words. So we need to react according to the market. You need to buy or you need to short sell, whatever it may be. You need to react as per the market. It goes up means you can go to buying side. You it go down means you need to go down. Downside means selling side. Don't go against the market. That is the important thing. Second thing is, and greediness. Yeah, today I earn 2k. Yeah, I want to make it to 4k. Yes, you are able to make it 4k also on that day, successful, and you get more confident. I want to make another 4k. You go to that, and what one time this time you are not able to make another 4k. You are able to make 1k. Then somewhat confident you got because you already earned 5k. Absolutely confidence will come. So you are not stop and try to trade. You are trying to trade another trade. That time market be opposite to your direction. It's not going according to your assumption. So you lose another 3k, only 2k remaining. Then your mindset changes. Yeah, 3k loss. I need to recover that 3k because I earned 5k today. And you are going to overtrade, and that 2k also goes, and another 1 or 2k loss. These things happens in intraday due to overtrade and greediness. We need to avoid overtrade and greediness. We need to plan accordingly. Before market starts, we need to plan how much trade I need to take today. 3 trade, 4 trade or 5 trade. You need to stick on to that trade very strictly, and you need to stop. Next one is cut the losses. Yes, we are human beings, not able to judge all the day in accurate things because no one is accurate in this world. What happen is sometime morning initial stage only loss will happen 1k or 2k. That time people try to cover the losses. I need to cover this loss and make profit like that. But you are not able to cover, and that 2k maybe uh, leads to cause 10k loss like that. Loss will increase. Remember one thing, friends. If you are in profit and try to make another trade, that time your profit is going and you are in the loss situation. If you are in loss, that time you are going to recover loss, that time also you lose the money. So we need to control ourselves. Trading means it's the mind game. We need to be prepared on that. Then only we are able to be successful intraday trader. Next thing is stop loss. Yeah, this is also an important thing. Stop loss you need to put for the each and every trade. It shows the how disciplined you are, and if it hits the stop loss, then you stop the trading on that day and try for next day trading. Like that you need to do. Then your success will be guaranteed. So try all these things, friends, and let me know how it works. If it works, message me or comment me below the comment section. And still you are not subscribed my channel, means I request you guys to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the further notifications for the future videos. Thanks everyone.